Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this glow-in-the-dark Oogie Boogie die necklace. Now the mold that I'm using is from the Sophie and Toffee Nightmare Before Christmas box. This is such an intricate mold and I'm really pleased with the way that the design turned out in the end. I'm using some of their red pigment and I'm also using some glow-in-the-dark pigment that I had before, and I'm using their Nightmare Before Christmas resin. Now this is actually quite a relatively simple craft to do, so I know that the box can be a little bit intimidating, but this was definitely the most simple thing out of the entire kit, so I decided to start with this tutorial. Here you can see that I have actually used the heat gun in my little silicone cup. That is just to try and remove as many air bubbles as possible. I'd also recommend that you allow a little bit of the resin to spill over when you put the lid on top, just because then you can get the full imprint of the skull on the top of your die. Once you've popped it out of the mold, I would recommend putting it underneath your UV lamp for a few more minutes just to really try to cure the inside. Okay, so now it's time to add the details. So I like to use a very small dotting tool to do the dots on the die, and then I'm using a super duper thin brush from Arteza to do all the rest of the details. It's really important that you use something that is small and thin because the details on this are very intricate. Once that was all nice and dry, then it was time to drill a tiny hole inside of the number 1 face of the die, and then I added a teeny tiny drop of resin to an eye screw and cured that and made sure that it was nice and secure. Then I added on my jump ring and my black chain, and it was pretty much done. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. Even though it is something that's so small, which is usually completely opposite to what I would rock, I absolutely love the fact that it glows in the dark, and I just think it's a really cute little homage to Nightmare Before Christmas. Let me know what you think and if you think that you'll be replicating this as well. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.